Okay, Eric Goodwill with Renaissance Painting and Carpentry. What we've done is we have restored this this deck. Now, if you take a look down here, it's all painted and coated. There was a vinyl deck on here, and there was a bunch of seam failure in there, right where the camera operator Jorge is standing. And what we did was we removed the vinyl in that section. We repaired the wood, the plywood. We put in new cant strips. So we put all new cant strips in, and we put seam tape in. We put new metal flashing. And then what we did was we put a joint filler on all the repairs. We put seam tape on, we primed everything, then we put this texture coating on top of that, and then we put a vinyl safe paint. Now, vinyl safe paint is super important. Reason being is that if it's not vinyl safe, it can cause the vinyl to fail prematurely, similar to like an old, if you remember back in the days when they had records, you couldn't leave them out in the sun because they would superheat and they'd melt, they'd get all twisted. So basically, we took this. This was a cost-effective restoration, and we've dramatically increased the lifespan of the rest of this deck. We also replaced all of the railing caps. So these were all failing really badly. We do have the two new pieces put in. Now, there is a joint here, and right at the joint, before we put in the pieces, they're all sealed. So if water does get down here and it does get in, it's primed and sealed, so there's no bare wood that will absorb the moisture. Because that's where it always fails, right on the ends of the joints. Eric Goodwill, Renaissance Painting and Carpentry. Right in the center of Vancouver, right near the City Hall. And we've restored a whole bunch of trim, painted it, and restored this deck. Thanks.